Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today I am going to review the Suzuki Avenis 125, and here is the key of this vehicle. This vehicle comes with two different variants with 7 different color options. This is race edition with metallic matte black color. In this you get 4-stroke 1-cylinder air-cooled engine with 124.3 cc of displacement, and it produces 8.7 PS of power, 10 Nm of torque. The fuel tank capacity is of 5.1 liters and it gives 55 km per liters of mileage. Let's talk about its front profile. At front you get the sturdy visor, the Suzuki is written here, the 2-ton signals, these are LED headlamps. At front you get telescopic suspensions, and at the rear you get swing arm suspension. At front you get disc, and at the rear you get drum brakes. The tire size is of 90-90-12 inches, and at the rear you get 90-110 inches. These are alloy wheels. About the dimensions I have given in the description box, you can check out that. From its side the vehicle looks good. Here is the side reflector. The ride connect addition is written here. Avenis badging is here. Pillion's footrest. The exhaust guard. The ground clearance is of 160 mm and the saddle height is of 780 mm. The SCP is written here. At rear also you get LED tail lamps, the 2-ton signals, rear reflector, the external fuel lead, the pillion grab rail. By putting key in this point you can open the external fuel lead. The under seat storage is of 21.8 liters. Here is some storage space to put your stuff. The USB charging port. Here is also some storage space. The hook, Suzuki badging. The seat is super comfy. This is the digital instrument console, in which you get digital speedometer, trip meter, low fuel indicator, low oil indicator. This is the tactical horn. Also, let's start the vehicle. To start the vehicle you have to first remove the stand. Let's listen the exhaust note. The engine is very refined and cool. So if you like this today's vlog, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.